Good morning, students. Let us continue exercise 6.5. In the last class, we have done question number 13. Now, today we are going to do from question number 14 onwards. I am reading the question. The perpendicular from, let me read the question. The perpendicular from A on the side BC of the triangle ABC meets BC at D such that DB equal to 3CD. And you have to ask in figure 6.5. You are given this figure number as 6.55, and you have to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. That means आपको एक triangle दे रखा है, triangle ABC, in which AD is drawn perpendicular to BD in such a way that CD is less than BD and CD equal to 1/3 BD. CD 1/3 BD का 1/3 पार्ट है, that means CD छोटा और BD बड़ा होना चाहिए. Given what you have to write in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and CD is equal to 1/3 BD. That you are given. Let me check. Sorry, CD names. Sorry. You are given that DB equal to 3CD. Sorry, DB equal to 3CD और CD is equal to 1/3 DB. Both are same. अगर आपने DB equal to 3CD लिखा, that is also right, and CD is smaller because from the figure you can find CD smaller. CD equal to 1/3 DB. That is also right. Now to prove, you have what you have to prove. आपको क्या proof करना है? To prove, you have to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. That you have to prove. Now, no need of construction because the perpendicular is already given. You can use directly Pythagoras theorem. Proof. Now, what you are given? You are given that DB is equal to 3CD. That means that is given. That implies DB upon CD is equal to 3/1 or CD by DB is equal to 1/3. That means CD 1 or DB 3, इसका 3 times है. That means CD is to DB. We are making the ratio between CD and DB is 1:3. Why? Because we have to convert CD in terms of BC as well as DB in terms of BC. Therefore CD total कितना है? 4 में से first one part is CD, that is 1/4 BC. CD is to DB is 3:1. That means CD is one part and DB is 3 part. So that total part is 4. That is 4 part is BC and CD is 1/4 part of BC. Similarly, you can say that DB कितना है? Part is 3, total is 4. That is 3/4 BC. This is very important. If you don't know this one, you can't prove this question. You can't solve this question. Now we can prove this. This is C. Now, in right triangle, RT means right. You can use any triangle. I am using the triangle ADB. In right triangle ADB, because in left side to prove we are asked to find 2AB square. In right triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now that implies AB square is equal to AD square को क्या लिख सकते हैं? AD square can be written as AC square minus CD square. That is AC square minus CD square plus BD square. Now see triangle ACD. Triangle ACD, right triangle ACD. AD square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side square. That is AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. That is put here. Now this if you want, you can write this in bracket. Now AC square minus CD square plus BD square. Now what is CD? That is AC, you can write it as, now CD is to be changed in terms of BC. That is CD हमने जो भी निकाल के रखा था 1/4 BC, 1/4 BC whole square, 1/4 BC whole square plus BD is AC square minus CD square plus BD square is 3/4 BC whole square. Because whatever that you are asked to prove, आपको जो प्रूफ करने के लिए पूछा गया उसमें साइड्स ए बी बी सी और ए सी ही आना चाहिए. दैट इज वी चेंज सी डी एंड बी डी इन टर्म्स ऑफ बी सी. दैट बिकम्स ए सी स्क्वायर माइनस 1/16 बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस 9/16 बी सी स्क्वायर. That implies left side is AB square. AB square is going on. AB square is equal to AC square plus 8/16 BC square. By cancellation we get 2. That means AC square plus 1/2 BC square. AC square plus 1/2 BC square. By taking LCM, otherwise we are transferring 2 into left side, you will get 2. By taking LCM, this is 2AC square plus BC square whole upon 2. I am writing directly 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This can be raised that you are asked to prove 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Hence the proof. Next question is question number 15. Question number 15 is very important. This question had come in the board examination for 4 marks in the year 2018. I am reading the question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is question number 50. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. This question is very important. ये 2018 में आया हुआ question है. You are given an equilateral triangle. Triangle should be little bit equilateral. Equilateral जैसे आपको दिखना चाहिए. Let me draw once more because there's a construction also in this question, so that figure should be clear. Let ABC be the equilateral triangle, and you are given that D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 BC. BD equal to 1/3 BC मतलब क्या होता है? BD BC का छोटा पार्ट है, so that D should be nearer to D. This is BD is equal to 1/3 BC and what BD equal to 1/3 BC. देखिए this 3 the 1 1 1 करेंगे तो 3 पार्ट है, तो इसका 1/3 पार्ट है BD. And prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. For that you have to draw a construction. Construction is from A, draw a perpendicular. You can write in bold letter, otherwise in dotted line. Dotted line से भी कर सकते हैं, bold line से भी कर सकते हैं, आपके ऊपर है. From D, draw a line perpendicular AM on BC. Now what is given? You are given that triangle ABC is equilateral. Equilateral triangle. And BD is equal to 1/3 BC. That is, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 BC. What is to prove? You have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now construction is very important question. Listen carefully. From A, draw AM perpendicular to BC. A से AM perpendicular to BC draw करना है. Proof. Now before starting the proof, let us assume the sides of triangle as x y something. इसका proof start करने से पहले हम इसका side को x y assume कर लेते हैं. Let us assume let the sides be AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to x. Otherwise let the sides of the triangle be x. Since AM is perpendicular to BC, AM BC का perpendicular है. There is a property in an equilateral triangle. Altitude, median, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector all are coinciding in equilateral triangle. एक equilateral triangle में altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector सब coincide होता है. That means since this is perpendicular, this is also median. AM is perpendicular BC means AM is the median. If no need of writing, but for your understanding of writing by the property of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That implies therefore AM is equal to MC equal to x by 2. Half हो जाएगा. Now you are given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. That implies BD is equal to 1 by 3 into x, that is x by 3. Now DM can be written as BM minus BD. BM is half x, that is x by 2, and BD is x by 3. ये सब हम x में कन्वर्ट करने से आपको क्वेश्चन करना बहुत इजी लगेगा, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू राइट ईच लाइन AM AB like that. Now you have to prove in the left side AD square. For that you can use this small triangle ADM. That is, in right triangle ADM, AD square is hypotenuse square. AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. See, AD square ये 90 है तो ये hypotenuse हो गया. AD square equal to AM square plus DM square. Now how we can change AM? देखिए, in right triangle AMC में AM square can be written as AM is perpendicular square is equal to AC square minus CM square. That you can write in your bracket for your convenience. That implies AC square minus CM square, and DM can be written as BM this is B. BM minus BD. That is BM minus BD whole square. That is why I have written all these things here, so that you can easily put the values. AC means क्या होता है? Side क्या assume किया आपने? X square. CM is half of x square. That is x by 2 whole square. And BM minus BD is x by 2 minus x by 3 whole square. From these terms, that is, if you want, you can write all these equations together as 1. You can write it as from 1. No need of writing. आपको लिखना तो लिख सकते हैं, otherwise examiner can see from these steps what you are replacing. That implies x square minus x square by 4 by LCM 6, that is x square by, otherwise x by 6 whole square. That is x square minus x square by 4 plus x square by 36. By taking LCM you get 36 is the LCM, minus 9x square plus x square by 36. That is 37 minus 9, that is 28 upon 36 x square. By cancelling numerator and denominator by 4, you will get 7 4s are 28, 9 4s are 36. That is 7 by 9 x square. Now what is going on left side? Left side में क्या है? Left side x square AD square is going on. That is, here it is AD square is equal to 7 by 9 x square. That by transposing 9 to left side, you get 9 AD square is equal to 7 x square. Now what you assumed for x? You assume x as the side of the equilateral triangle AB. That can be AB or BC or AC. Since you are asked to write in terms of AB, you can write this as 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. This question is very much important because they had come 2-3 times in the board examination. Once more I am explaining the question. आपको एक triangle ABC दे रखा है and D is a point on BC such that BD is 1 by 3 BC. In this type of question, it is not necessary that in the board examination the figure may come. बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में फिगर आना जरूरी नहीं है, कई बार आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़कर समझकर करना पड़ेगा. That is very essential. D is a point on B set BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. That means D is nearer to B. And construction that we have done is AM perpendicular to BC. By the property for convenience, we have assumed the sides as X. And since AM is perpendicular to BC, BM is CM equal to half of BC and BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. That is given. DM is BM minus BD, that is x by 2 minus x by 3. Then we have applied Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADM. Then again we have applied Pythagoras theorem in ACM and convert everything into AD and X. And at last we have replaced X in terms of AB. You can replace in terms of BC or AC because all sides are equal. Since you are converted asked in this form, we have converted in X in terms of AB. So X square in terms of AB square. This question is very much important. Do this question 2 to 3 times. Now last question of 16th exercise 6.5, that is question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that sum of 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. You are again given an equilateral triangle. Let ABC be the equilateral triangle. And altitude means perpendicular. Any one of the altitude. It is not necessary to draw all the altitude. You can draw only one. Then altitude of each equilateral triangle is all the length of altitude of all each altitude of an equilateral triangle is same. Now, given that, what is given? You are given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. To prove आपको क्या prove करना है? You have to prove that 3 times square of one side. 3 times square of one side is 3AB square. You can use BC or AC as you wish. 3AB square is equal to 4 times square of one of its altitude, that is 4AD square. We are considering the altitude as AD. Proof, no need of any construction because the altitude is given. Since altitude is given, you can directly apply Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABD, why you are taking ABD? Because in this one we have considered the side AB. You can use AC also, but I am taking AB. In triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now, AD square, how we can write? See this triangle, AD square is AC square minus CD square. So, otherwise, AB square is equal to, what do you want? 4AD square. तो इससे अच्छा क्या करेंगे, इसको AD स्क्वायर को वापस शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. AD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, इसको इधर रख दिया, इधर आ जाएगा तो AB स्क्वायर माइनस BD स्क्वायर. इससे भी कर सकते हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा लंबा पड़ेगा. नाउ AD स्क्वायर वी वांट, AD स्क्वायर चाहिए था, उसको वहां छोड़ दिया. AB is again AB, and by the property of equilateral triangle as in previous question, since AD is perpendicular, BD equal to DC equal to half BC. So that you can write this as half BC whole square because BD is equal to DC by the property of equilateral triangle. That means AB square by 1 by 4 BC square minus 1 by 4 BC square. But you know that AB equal to BC because it is equilateral triangle, that is AB square minus AB square by 4. AB square minus AB square by 4. By taking LCM, you will get LHS is AD square. AD square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 AB square. Implies 4AD square is equal to 3AB square. Otherwise, 3 times square of one side is equal to, square of one side equal to 4, square of the side is equal to 4 times the square of one of the altitude. That is the proof of this question. Now, this much, that is we have completed exercise 6.5. Now, the one theorem is excluded in Adi Sharma, that is internal angle bisector theorem, that is not in our course. So this question is need not be done. Similarly, a theorem related to ratio of areas of similar triangle and Pythagoras theorems converse. Now, I will do 1 or 2 questions from Adi Sharma. Before finishing the class, I am taking example 37. You just, whenever you see the video, open Adi Sharma in front of you so that you can go through the question. Page number 7.63. This question is also very important. I am reading the question. 2 triangles BAC and BDC right angled at A and D respectively are drawn on the same base BC and on the same side of BC. If AC and DB intersect at P, prove that AP into PC equal to DP into PB. That means you are given 2 right triangles. One right triangle is with the same base, that is BC. One right triangle is named as VAC, 90 degree जैसे दिखना चाहिए, and other right triangle is named as BDC. Both are on the same base BC and on the same side of BC. Now, what is given? Given triangle BAC and triangle BDC are 2 right triangles on the same side of BC, right angled at A and D respectively. RLY means respectively. To prove, what you have to prove? This question is not based on Pythagoras theorem. We are discussing question based on the similarity criterion. To prove AP into PC is equal to DP into PB. Now, see these two lines are intersecting at the point P. That is also given. Proof. Since you are given angle, which similarity is better to use? Yes, that is double A similarity. In triangles BAP and CDP, angle BAP is equal to angle CDP is equal to 90 degree given. दोनों एंगल 90 डिग्री दे रखा है. These two angles are equal by vertically opposite angle. Angle APB is equal to angle DPC is because pair of vertically opposite angles. That means if two angles are equal, triangles are similar by double A similarity. That is triangle APB, that implies triangle APB is similar to, क्या नेमिंग लिया ये आप ध्यान रखना, APB लिया तो APB that is DPC, triangle DPC by double A similarity. Now, if the triangles are similar, you can take the corresponding parts of sides of similar triangle, that is CPST. Now, how we can take this? That is implies AP by DP. First दोनों letter AP by DP is equal to BP by CP is equal to, now first and last, AB by DC by CPST. Corresponding sides of similar, parts of similar triangle. That implies, now which ratio that you want? You want AP into CP equal to DP into BP. That means we want first two ratio. That implies AP by DP is equal to BP by CP, implies AP into CP is equal to DP into maybe PB or maybe PB लिखे आप BP लिखे की बात है, that is PB. Hence the proof. Now, I hope that you are following all these questions. This much is sufficient for today's class. The question number of exercise 6.5, question number 15, that is very important, and you have to do each and every question at least 2 to 3 times for practice. I hope that you understood today's class. If any queries, you can ask me. See you again in the next class. Thank you.